Fire dragons are a beauty. Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. The Fire Dragon, a 4-wheel drive futuristic buggy that will win at any local track. Let's test out the Fire Dragon and see how it runs. Hit it! Look at the suspension. And look at the styling. Fire Dragon. Coral Racing inspired. It will go in grass, sand, dirt, rocks, you name it. Anything you throw at this buggy, it'll take. Four-wheel independent suspension, earth-grabbing knobby tires. Your precious electronics are protected in the cab chassis with a polycarbonated top clear plastic lid to protect your valuable electronics. You could upgrade your Fire Dragon with a Mobichi black motor. Get your Fire Dragon at your local dealer today before they're all gone. Tamiya! Take her off-roading in the sand where it was born. Look at the suspension. Look at the handling. Fire Dragon 4-wheel drive. Will outhandle most buggies in its class and bring you home a trophy. Look at the suspension on it. 4-wheel drive, earth-grabbing power. Sand, no problem. Tamiya seals all their models so you could run on the beaches and in the ball field without any problems with sand getting in the gears. The power is unbelievable with the stock 540 Mobichi motor. If you upgrade to a technical, you will see blistering speeds. And if you add the extra ball bearing kit, it'll really fly. Take it from me, I'm the Tamiya guy. The Fire Dragons are a beauty. Everyone should have a Fire Dragon in their Tamiya collection. NRC loves it. Look at them drive. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on the Tamiya TV commercial. Hello, guys. After the runs with the Fire Dragon, dang it, I feel this motor's burning. I could smell it too. Smoked another 540. These Tamiya kits don't have good gearing. That's why I switched a lot of them to that 550 size motor. I think I'm gonna have to put one in here also. I think I put one in my Terror Scorcher and it runs so much cooler and better. And I have to throw one in here too, guys. So if you're sick of the hot burning motors in these Tamiyas, get like a 550 size motor. They run a lot more torque and you can turn the gears and go with these things. Thanks for watching, guys.